Hello everybody, मैं Kshitij Cheche. Today I am going to tell you about HTML programs. So first we have to download Notepad++, Notepad and then ++. So when you search it, I have already downloaded it. So you have to download it and open it. So first it will load and then you have to choose new file. So you have to type code here. I will tell you a short thing about HTML. HTML is a programming language which has CSS with it, and CSS help designing the HTML code, and the HTML used for making web pages. When you will see that when you search at Google, everything they give us videos, images, all. So these are webs. So these are made by HTML. So I will start writing the code. So first you have to write this. There are so many tags, so it is not possible to tell all the tags in one video. So you have to write first this and then doc type and then HTML. Doc type HTML. So this first sentence is very much important. So you have to close it and then enter and then HTML, and then after that down you have to write head, and after that you have to write title, and now here you have to write the title. So what is the title? When you type something in to search, so at the upper side, most upper, you will see that what you have typed, that is the name is there. If you type now YouTube, so at the uppermost layer of Google or other any browser, there is the name which you have typed and you have to search. So that is title. So if now I will give title. So I will give title only. I will give this is a title. So when we have to close the title, means when we have to close any tag, you have to use this and this. So this division sign you have to always use, otherwise the tag will not close and your HTML program will be gone wrong. So here you will write title, and after that down you will write head, close. So after that you have to write body. In body you have to write the whole program, and here I will write body closing tag, and this HTML closing tag. So in body you have to write the whole code. So if you have to give heading, whenever you see, you go to any web page, so you can see there is an heading, big heading. So there are so many types of heading. So this is one of the heading. H1 means heading 1. This is the largest heading, bigger font of heading. So I will write this is heading. So you have to close the tag. There are so many headings like H1, H2, H3. H1 is the biggest, H2 is the smaller of H1, then H3 is the smaller of H2, H4 is smaller of H3. Like that, there are decreasing by font. And if you have to write paragraph, means some sentence, so you will take this tag P, means paragraph. So P, then we will write this is paragraph. So end of paragraph. And if you have to write the paragraph in a center, so you will write P, and after that you have to one more tag you have to put center. So then this paragraph starts from center. So center, close, and then paragraph close. And if you want to change the font of the if you want to change the color or font of the text, so you will write P, and then other tag, it is font color is equals to, if I will take red color, red, and then close it, and you have to write here the text. I will write this is red color paragraph. So you will close the font and close the para. And close the para. So I will save it as, here is written .html, so you don't have to remove it. You should keep it, and I will name this web. Okay, so you have to click OK. So then here play button. So you can see this is heading, this is bigger, and then this is paragraph. This paragraph starts from center. See this is in center, so this is in red color, this red color paragraph. And now if you want to fill a form, then you have to add a tag called form, and after that you have to write input is equals to, input type is equals to now this is input type. If you want to type your name, so you will type here what is type. So which type is it? It is type of name. So name, close it. After that you have to write name, means not this type wala name, you have to name it something. Now how is your name? My name is Shiti. So this you have to write name. So I will name it name only. So so now you have to take place holder is equals to, now this is placeholder. Whenever you type something, so on the text there you see that write your name here, write password here, write email here. So you will write here your name and then close this, and after that I will copy this code, don't waste a lot of time. Paste, and then I will write here your last name. So I will save it, and then this. See, now you can see this. Now you can type here your name. I will type Kshitij and your last name Cheche. So now if you want to do this last name beside this first name, so so you will write here a tag called BR. So now you will see that, see now this is your last name is down of your name, and if you want to keep space in this both, and then you will write one more BR here, so it will keep space. See, it maintains space, so you can type here. And if you have to make a submit button, so you will make here by button tag call button, and then you have to go down, and then input type submit, and then name submit and then btn. So after that you have to close it, and then you have to close this also, and then you have to write submit. अरे यार, submit, and then you have to close the button tag, and then so see, there is a submit button. Now you can see there is two submit button, means two term text submit button it has came. So if you want to remove it, so then you have to remove this and then save, and then see, you can see submit button. Okay, so after that and if you want to only make a button, so what you will do, this whole thing you will 1 minute, you will delete it. See, you can delete it. Oh, 1 minute. So now your button, and then you can simply write here the name of button. Write submit button. So then set, and then see. So you will write here ending of form, and then save it, and then you can see it that here submit button has came. So you can the link, so you can type it by. I will show you how can you type it. So you have to put a code called A and href and is equal to sign, and then we will choose https and then https www.youtube.com. So this is of YouTube. So then you have to name the link. So I will name this is YouTube link. So after that link khatam. So now I will save it, and then see you can see a link, so I will click it. So it will not take to, because it will not take us to YouTube, because this is not for real HTML. This is for only seeing the code and learning the code, this app. And then submit button, if you have to all bring this submit and link beyond this, means down of this, your last name, then what you will do, you will do here, I showed you a tag called beer, and again beer. So now you can see BRS came, and I will also here write BR and then BR. Okay, so save it, and then see, you can see the YouTube link and submit button. So there is one mistake here. Okay, so you will save it. So now you can see it's proper, and this submit button, this YouTube link, this paragraph red color, this paragraph heading, and this paragraph starts from center. And now I'm going to tell you about the password and the email. So if you have to put password and email, so I will go in this, and then I will type here, copy this whole, copy, and I will paste here. Now you have to write, type email, and email, your email, and then now you have to put password. So what you will do, you will again paste it here, and you will now write here, this is very important, password. Please remember this. You have to write here password, and here you have to write, password only, password, oh my god, password, and here you will write your password, and then you will save it, and then see. So now you can see this all. Now if you want to keep a radio button, so I will show you that in next video. So bye bye, tata, subscribe to my channel, and like this video, share this video everywhere.